Hey, good morning everyone. It's 5:45 in the morning right now, and I'm at Anzen Kawasaki in Mumbai. We're just getting prepared to head out for a Sunday ride with the owners group of Anzen Kawasaki. Everyone should be here by 6 o'clock is what I'm told, and we'll be heading for Dukes in Lonavala today. So really excited. Wait till you guys see what bike I'm riding. I think I can show that to you in a few seconds from now. See you around. Okay, so this is Palm Beach Road, and yeah, these are the bikes which we'll be taking to Dukes in Lonavala. We've got quite a few of ER6Ns, a Versus 650, Rahul's bike. We've got I think 3 Z900s, which is always nice. This is what I'm riding, full system Akrapovic on a Ninja 650. Here's the rest of the guys, all getting ready. That's another group, I think. So group of mixed bikes. One of the rarer bikes that is the Bandit. Okay, so here's the lineup for today. Check out the bikes. Squad's all here, man. Squad's all here. Z900 in the house. Z1000 in my left rear view mirror. And the R6N in the right. What a day to ride, man. What a day to ride. Man, the weather today is absolutely beautiful. Don't want to jinx it, man. But sure looks good today. That's a very rare helmet, a Scorpion helmet. That's one of my HJC guys. Nice to see a Revolt helmet in the group as well somewhere, I think. Guys behind me, yep, there in my rearview mirror. ZX10R. Even more beautiful in person. Wow, for a change, it's nice to be on a bike that has a softer front setup than the RC390. But I think to some extent that kind of limits its cornering abilities. Wow, I don't know if you can see that, but there's a whole lot of fog right there on the hills. I think the sun might be ruining this picture, or this video rather. But that is absolutely beautiful. 1/3 of the distance covered already. This bike is performing really well. ABS not being too intrusive, still allowing you to brake late and enjoy the experience. Braking power on that front brake is really good. I'm really impressed by it. Yep, the dual discs on that front wheel are working really well. This is where we would connect to the expressway. Wow, look at that view. Oops. Can't focus on that for too long. Yeah, so we are allowed to ride onto this section for a little bit, and then after that we connect back onto the old Mumbai-Pune expressway. Gotta love them tunnels. And here we are, folks, the Duke's Retreat. Alright, time to have some breakfast and we'll be back on the bikes in a bit. Maybe get out the drone, shall we? Okay, so we are done with Duke's Retreat now, heading back home. What a ride it's been, man, what a ride it's been. Duke's is a brilliant place to come to. I don't know why I haven't come here before, but it's a brilliant place to come to, really. The whole group of guys over here at Kawasaki Owners, as well as the guys from the showroom who came along with us, were really welcoming. Knowing that I don't own a Kawasaki, they were really nice to me. In case you're wondering where everyone else is, well, they're already on the highway somewhere, because I was recording everyone leaving from Duke's. We're supposed to catch up at the highway. I hope I'm able to catch them, considering there's a ZX10R at the front of the pack somewhere. Here is everyone. Okay, so we're done with the ride with Anzen Kawasaki. We're here at Lonavala at this beautiful bridge, and you can see it. There's a lot going on behind me. It was a great ride today with everyone. I think the guys are really responsible. If you guys are Kawasaki owners and thinking of joining a riding group, I think this is definitely one of the groups you should consider. We're going to head back now to the Kawasaki showroom, at least I am, and everyone else is going to head back home. And yeah, call it a day, I guess, after that. Thank you again so much for watching. If you like what you saw, go ahead and give the video a thumbs up. If you haven't already subscribed, hit that subscribe button, man. What are you waiting for? And as always, at least wear your helmets while riding on motorcycles and ride safe. It's a freaking jungle out there. Goodbye.